How to use Chegg Study for textbook solutions. Well, Chegg Study provides step-by-step solutions for millions of textbook problems to help understand complex homework. Users can search by textbook title or an ISBN number, browse chapter problems, or use 24/7 expert Q&A for specific questions. In an effort to simplify the Chegg experience whatsoever, textbook solutions are no longer available the way they were available previously. So after the update, that's no longer available the way it was available before. Right? Now a student will just need to search for a question from their textbook. So simply you can use the camera and you can scan the particular question, right? Or you can head over to the home page and ask a question here. You can type in the question here and from a textbook, and to locate this specific question in the textbook. It will still have the same step-by-step answers that were there before. Then to find other textbook solutions, the student or you will need to search just for each question that you need help studying on. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.